Hello everyone, this is me Anwar and this is my new tutorial for you all. In this new tutorial, I will discuss the remaining shortcut keys of Microsoft Word with you people. So let's start. Welcome once again. So yesterday we talked about all these shortcut keys, and now we will talk about all these ones. So let's start. Okay, and Ctrl+N is working for new documents. Like you can also press like this, new one is come here and press new and it will open. But if you want to use a shortcut, then Ctrl+N. Okay, it will open a new document. You see two documents now we have. Okay, this one is a new document, blank documents. Okay, so Ctrl+N is for new. Ctrl+O, if you have already existing document of Microsoft Word and you want to open it, then you can just click and Ctrl+O. Okay, these are the recently, but from where you want to open it, from OneDrive, from your computer. If your document is inside your computer, then you will click in computer and then come to browse. Okay, and find a place where your document is. Like my document is here, I will click this and this, then I will open it. Okay, so Ctrl+O is for open your Microsoft documents. Okay, Ctrl+Q, okay, it will work like something. If you in your program some formatting is applied and you want to remove all the formatting, then you will click Ctrl+Q. Okay, then all the formatting will remove. Okay, you see the format style is removed. Okay, Ctrl+R is working like starting text from the right side. Like when we select this one and when we click Ctrl+R, it will start from the right side, right? Okay, you can also click this one, Ctrl+R. We will talk about all these items later, but now I am just talking about the shortcuts. Ctrl+R is also working like the same as this one. Okay, Ctrl+R like this. Okay, when we click again Ctrl+R, then it will reverse the format. Okay, Ctrl+S for saving the documents. If you want to save your documents, it's the most important documents. Actually, we don't need to go here again and again and click and save. So we just need to click and Ctrl+S and all the apply all the applied, all the working you did, it will apply it and it will save it with the document. You know, my file don't have this text. So now I press Ctrl+S. Now it's saved in our documents and it's saved in our documents. Okay, so now Ctrl+U, it's working to underline the text. Okay, you can also work with this one, Ctrl+U. Okay, and you can click in this like manually, it will underline. Okay, again, and then if you want to use a shortcut, then Ctrl+U. You see the Ctrl+U, I press the Ctrl+U and it's underline our text. Now Ctrl+U again. Okay, Ctrl+V for using a paste. You want to copy something. Okay, this one, Ctrl+C for copy. Okay, and I want to paste it here, and so I will click Ctrl+V. So you see it's paste. So copy and paste something. So Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. So Ctrl+W for close documents. One thing you know that one thing is close and one thing is exit. Okay, close mean you can close this document, the open one, this one. Okay, so it will close this documents, not the whole Word file. It will close the document. I will use it in the last. Okay, the last I will use this one, Ctrl+W, close. Or you can come here and then click and close. It will work like the same with Ctrl+W. Okay, Ctrl+X, if you want to cut something, like I want to cut this document, so I will select this document and I will click in Ctrl+X. Okay, it's cut, and I want to press it paste it here, Ctrl+V so it's pasted. So Ctrl+V working for cut. Okay, Ctrl+X, cut, Ctrl+W for close, Ctrl+V paste, Ctrl+X for cut and Ctrl+V for paste, and Ctrl+Y for redo and Ctrl+Z for undo. Like you did something by mistakenly, you did this, delete it. So how I do to recover it? So press Ctrl+Z, you see it's recovered. If I press Ctrl+Y, it's again reverse, and Ctrl+Z undo. Okay, so it's like Ctrl+Y is redo and Ctrl+Z is undo. Okay, some other useful more shortcuts like Ctrl+1. Ctrl+1 it will work like this. Okay, line and paragraph, 1.5 line spacing between two line space. Okay, you see difference. Okay, between this way, if I select these and come to this one, you see 0, 1.5, okay, 2, you see the space between this. So if you want to use shortcuts, Ctrl+1, control and press +1 for single space. Okay, Ctrl+2 for double space, Ctrl+5 for 1.5 space. Actually we are using mostly, it's according to your documents, Ctrl+1 is okay for single space line. Okay, so these are some useful others, and some other important shortcuts like F1 for help. If you press F1, it will go online for help. F7 for spelling and grammar check. Okay, F7, if you press F7, it will search some words, spelling and grammar. Okay, and Ctrl+F2, control and plus F2, it will print review. Like you can see this page, how when we want to print it, so how it will look. So Ctrl+F2, let's see, this will be like a printed style. If you want to print, then you can also print like this. Okay, so Ctrl+F2 for print review. Okay, and F9 for refresh, F9 for refresh the code. F9 will work for the refresh. Okay, so in my system F9 is working for the sound down, like sound down. In your system maybe it will work for refresh. Okay, so these are some important shortcuts. Some others useful, a lot of others, but we will discuss in our lectures one by one. But these are the most important shortcuts we are using oftenly in our daily life in Microsoft Word and other applications as well. Okay, so I told you that I will click in Ctrl+W for closing documents. So let's click Ctrl+W. Okay, if you want to save some changes, it will ask, I want to save, yes. Then now you see it's closed the open documents. You want to open something else, it didn't close the whole. Okay, exec is something else. If you want to exec is something else, exec will close all the documents like this one. Okay, this one is exec. Okay, and close is different. Okay, so this is for today.